Good day, folks. 7 First Alert meteorologist Keenan Smith. We had some loud, noisy thunderstorms during the overnight hours, and we still have some locally heavy rain, and we can't rule out a clap of thunder. So here's what's going on. You can see the line of wicked storms stretching from the Great Lakes down to St. Louis. These storms have been responsible for multiple tornadoes across parts of Illinois, down through Arkansas, tornadoes on the ground at times this morning in Ohio. We, on the northern extension of that, didn't get the worst of it, thankfully. But yes, we had some heavy rainfall. Some communities are already over an inch of rain. Now, our futurecast shows that we take a lot of the rain out of here early on. Then we're still looking for showers across Metro Detroit into the afternoon hours. Then a cold front comes in, showers, an isolated thunderstorm. But look at what happens. Look at the snow up to the north, and that snow works its way into Metro Detroit. So we are looking at some big changes here as we transition back to winter weather. I'm going to keep a chance for a thunderstorm in your forecast, especially during the morning into the midday hours. Cold front comes in, gusty winds on the backside of that out of the west up to 40, 45 miles an hour, falling temperatures, and by tonight, snow showers around. How much snow will we see? For Metro Detroit, we're looking at half an inch up to I-69, about an inch north of I-69. You can see several inches of snow. Tomorrow, we're looking for another system that comes through here with a chance for snow, especially for Detroit and south. Look for high tomorrow of 37 degrees, Friday 32, and then temperatures begin to bounce back towards 40 for Saturday, 53 by Sunday. I'm 7 First Alert meteorologist Keenan Smith.